Did you know there's a correct way to get out of your vest? I'm Jacob with Climbing Sutra, and I'm here to show you how. With your harness, with every harness, we have what is called a buckle release tool. And you also get your Climbing Sutra sticker and, you know, your warning and maintenance and everything else that the lawyers make us tell you. So what you're going to do is you're going to get what we call a buckle release tool or a buckle key. It's going to have 3 different sides for 3 different size buckles. It also has a nifty bottle opener. So when you want to get out of your harness, you come in from the back and then you just loosen it up that way, loosen it up that way, and you think I'd have this more slicked out by now. There we go. And just, there you go. You're out of the harness. With the smaller buckles, especially the 1 inch and these 1 1/4, it's a lot easier just to use the tool. And then loosen them as you go, and you are out of the harness, if my shoulders will let me. There you go. This is our nylon vest. It is our most popular vest. It's got our proprietary buckles on it. It's got our proprietary webbing that's only made for Climbing Sutra. Everything's American made here in North Las Vegas. And by people, not machines. Well, people with machines, but either way, you know what I'm saying. If you'd like to order a vest, make sure to check out our website. But first, make sure to check out the video on how to measure yourself correctly. That's also up on our YouTube channel. We have a standard or we have a custom, and there's different ways of measuring yourself for each one. Please like or subscribe. If you have any more ideas or would like to see more content like this, shoot me a comment.